So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a new faucet here. This is directly from Moen. Moen sent out a replacement faucet for the homeowner. The existing faucet had failed. Took them a while to get it, but they did send it out free of charge. You can see that's the model number, right? Just the Water Hill in oil rub bronze. You can see right here. That's everything we've installed. Air gap was in place. We did drop it just to get out of the way to silicone the back of the countertop, the granite countertop to the sink. And then of course over on the left side, that we haven't touched that. That's like a stainless steel sinkhole cover. So anyways, we tested everything. If everything looks good, we recommend keeping as much water off of the sink as possible. The holes are sealed pretty good, but any water up there is an opportunity to get water down into your sink area right here. Underneath, it was just a fiasco of bracketry and mounting, and the cabinet is so tight back there, as you can see. You know, you've got the high loop vent and the water pipe. We dropped the garbage disposal. This arm, this T came out, and the arm over to the basket strainer was all disassembled to get back up in there. We had to modify two of the mounting brackets because they wouldn't fit up against the back of the sink, and hopefully I can get you a picture there. So you got a bracket, and sorry about the shaking, trying to one-hand it in there. You got two mounting brackets up there, and both of them were hitting against this plywood stringer. You can see it across the back where that white clip mounts on. So we had to cut both mounting brackets. Both of them are metal, so they'd fit up in there. So that's all good. Everything's tight, everything's functioning correctly. We reinstalled the garbage disposal, got all tied back together. Keep an eye on that. There's some signs of rusting on that mounting gasket, the flange. So you have any trouble with that, give us a holler. We'll come out and we'll replace that. We can do a 3rd horsepower for $275. So anyways, everything looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.